So, here is the given score and frequency. So, ang score niya is 53 to 58, 47 to 52, 41 to 46, and so on and so forth. So, ang iyahang class, sa atong makita the iyahang class width or class interval is 6, okay? 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and 58. So, 6 ilang class interval or class width. And 47, 48, 59, 50, 51, 52. So, 6 diba gapon? So, the rest na 6 gapon na siya. Yung frequency or the total tally in every score sa 53 to 58, okay? Ang total tally ko no is tulo. So, mo yung frequency sa 47 to 52 na kung upat ka student nga nakakuha ani. Then, so on and so forth. Then, rin ta sa lower boundary. So, we all know how to get the lower boundary man, diba? Kung unsa ang lower kung ang score diri is ato ara siyang didakan o minus sa 0.5. So, 53 minus 0.5 is equals to 52.5. 47 minus 0.5 is equals to 46.5. 41 minus 0.5 is equals to 40.5. Then so on and so forth. Then, sa nasang community frequency. So, unang tumuhatan diri is atin na punta maglantaw ni frequency na part. So, magsugod ta og tali nito. Si 2 man, diri sa kalas na siya. Frequency. So, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 9 plus 11 is equals to 20. 20 plus 10 is 30, then so on and so forth. Okay, so not a problem there. Find the first quartile of the quartile 1. Okay, so first quartile of the quartile 1. So ang formula dahil ko niya is quartile 1 is equals to lower boundary plus kn over I is minus cf over f times cw or the class width. So before nato ni siya makuha is ato siyang pangitaong daan ng kn over I. Kn over I. So to get this one, ang value aning kn di ba quartile 1 man. So si k nato dili is 1 since ang quartile 1 kung nakita. Then i-multiply nato siya sa number of students which is katong 40. Ito na sa question na over I dili is quartile 1 so we need 4. Diba matod pa sa akong discuss din nga if quartile is 4, decile is 10, and percentile is 100. So, mo ni siyang 4 ato ang I diri. So, equals 40 times 1 is equals to 40 over 4. So, answer niya is equals to 40 divided by 4 is equals to 10. So, mo ni ang ato ang kn over I. Karon, asa na ito makita si 10 diri? Sa green part. So, si 10, nakita na ito siya. Between ni tamang-tanaw sa mas ng community frequency in between ni 90 and 20. So mo ni siya iyahang lower boundary frequency and score. Pero if atong set kanang community frequency atong pangitang is dapat preceding man siya, so meaning before so kani atong 9 atong gamitin sa cumulative frequency. So nalatay CF. So nalatay CF boundary is 22. The new frequency is 2211. The class width is 6. 53, 54, 56. So, ito na yung class width. So, karon ito na yung A. Ito na yung A substitute sa itong formula. So, equals quartile 1 is equals to wala itong lower boundary. Itong lower boundary here is 22. Kn over I. So, ito na kung dira 10. So, 10 minus CF na to nga 9. Minus 9 over frequency na to is 11. And CW na to is 6. Plus and then naging 10 guys. 22.5 din na siya. So, copy na to 22.5 plus na to is 0.54. So, plus 0.54 is equals to 22.5 plus 0.54 is 23.04. Therefore, 23.04 is our ang 23.04 mo ang quartile 1. Gets right? Okay, so our second example is find the ninth decile or the D9. So, ninth decile ko mo. So, parehiragin pa ang buhatin itong unang buhatin isang kn over 1 ang magpupunang ba. So, si kn over I and over I is equals to hindi man itong ipangita dire kapila nga term ang 9 sa TM kapila nga sa ka 9. So, ang k na to is 9. Dayon, ang n na to is 40 hinapon, which is katong total number of students. Ang I na to is pila na? 10 na. Kay decile naman. Diba? Sa decile is 10, percentile is 100, dayon, quartile is 4. Okay? So, 9 times 40 is equals to 360 over 10. So, 360 over 10, 360 divided by 10 is equals to 36. So, 36 ang atong value sa kn over I. So, karon asa na ito makita sa 36? So, si 36 na siya in between ni 33 and 37. So, dapat man ang pinakuha na ito ang atong mga mas dako, maungkan siya, muna ito ang gamiton. Pero, sa atong cumulative frequency, ang atong gamiton is katong preceding, which is the 33. So, kaning 33 muna atong gamiton. Kaya itong itali dere, CF is equals to 33. Dayon, atong ang lower boundary, so dara, atong lower boundary is 46.5, then frequency is 4. 46.5, then frequency is equals to 4, then CW, or the class width again is 6 gihapon. Okay, so itong i-substitute sa formula atong mga nakuha diri. So, decile nan is equals to lower boundary na to diri is 46.5 plus itong kn, pila to 36 minus cumulative frequency 33 divided by frequency na to diri is 4. Then, class width is equals to 6. Copy 46.5 plus 36 minus 33 is equals to 3 over 4 times 6. Then, next to do is copy again 46.5 plus 3 divided by 4 times 6 is equals to 4.5. Then, equals 4.5 plus 46.5 is equals to 51. So, mao ni ang atong value ni decile 9 or the 9th decile. Okay, so our last problem is find the 70th percentile or the P70. So, same na ipon silang formula. Atong unang buhaton is kuha pangitaon na to si kn over I. So, si k na to diri is 70 na. Nanang 70 man, kay ang 70th percentile man itong pangita. Then, i-multiply na to siya ni 40, which is the total number of students, divided by the I, which is 100. So, nga na 100 man siya, tungod kay, ang percentile, ang value sa percentile is 100. Ngayon, 70 times 40 is equals to 2,800. Divided by 100. Equals, 2,800 divided by 100 is equals to 28. So, 28 itong value ni kn over I. Karon, atong pangitaon si CF, si frequency, si lower boundary, and si class width. So, si class width na to is 6 naman to, diba? So, ali diri. Saan naman to? So, asa na to makita si 28? Si 28 makita to siya in between ni 20 and 30. Again, atong gamiton is katong highest. So, si 30. So, kani siya. Pero, sa atong cumulative frequency, ang gamiton na to ang katong preceding. So, before ni 30. So, si 20. So, si CF, so 20 na to is ang CF. Dayon, atong lower boundary, ang diri, 28.5. 28.5. And frequency is 10. Nakuha naman nato ni tanan, substitute na nato siya sa formula. Equals L na to or the lower boundary is 28.5 multiplied by Kn over I or the 28 minus CF 20 over frequency na 10 times 6. Copy 28.5 28 minus 20 is equals to 8 over 10 times 6. Again, copy na to si 28.5. Then, 8 divided by 10 times 6 is 4.8. 4.8 equals 28.5 plus 4.8 ba ito? 4.6 equals to 33.33. Therefore, our 70th percentile is 33.30. Formula for population mean. U is equals to summation of x over n. So, kani siya stands for the population mean. Then, kani siya is the summation of x over, kani siya ang number of elements in the population. So, ang hitabo, una is, for example, so summation of x kuno siya. 40 plus 38 kani siya tanan atong i-add sin summation 1 plus 44 plus 39 plus 51 plus so on and so forth until 26. So man siya over ang n na to is number of elements man, so ito siya 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, over 10 siya. Plus, kung i-add na ito ni siya tanan, itong makuha is 370 divided by 10 is equals to 37. So, muna siya ito ang population mean. And next is the population variance formula. So, muna yung formula. Sigma squared is equals to summation of x sub 1 minus the u or the population mean ito nakuha ito kanina, then square over the number of elements. So, di ba atong nakuha kanina is 37 man to. So, mo siya ito ang u. Then, kaning atong x sub 1 or x sub 2 hantod sa x sub 10 is muna siya itong mga given data. Then, ang n na to, same ipon sa ganina ng atong number of elements. So, ito lang i-substitute. Summation of x sub 1 minus u. So x 40 minus 37 squared plus 38 minus 37 squared plus i-add natin ni sila tanan. Yung kuha na to is 560 over 10. So, the answer is 56. So, 56 is our population variance. Pagkuha sa itong formula sa population standard deviation is kanin ganing atong pagkaturo na siya is square root. Kanin. Standard deviation is equals to square root of summation of x sub 1 minus the mean times squared then over n. So para mas madali atong buhaton is di ba 56 man atong nakuha dili na population variance. Ang buhaton na to ato na siyang a square root ang 56. So, kuha ko na to ang square root ni 56 kay mura man ang answer din ganina, di ba? Kasi naman sa formula. So, ito siyang a squared. So, square root of 56 is equals to 7.48. So, muna ito ang standard deviation, 7.48. Using the previous data, suppose that we randomly select 5 data out of 10 total data in the population. Compute the sample mean, sample variance, and sample standard deviation. So, di ba mo mani ang mga data na ito na 48 and the rest. Then, atong ikuha ko na si 40, si 38, then si 30, 26, and 51. So, sample mean man. So, mura itong ikuha ang 5 kabuok. So, may tabo. Ito ni siya. So, kaning x bar, mo ni siya ang sample mean. And kaning summation of x, kaning siya is the summation of x din ang number of elements in the population. So, same na sa itong gibuhat ganina, ha? X bar is equals to summation of x. So, 40 plus 38 plus 30 plus 26 plus 51 over 5 na lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, itong makuha is 40 plus 38 plus 30 26 plus 51. So, 185 over 5. 185 over 5. So, divided by kunin mo gana divide 5. So, 37. So, therefore, 37 is our sample mean. Next. Now, let's proceed to the formula of the sample variance. So, ang formula niya is s squared is equals to summation of x, which is the given data, minus bar x, muna siya ang bar x, may itong sample mean na nakuha ito ganito number 7, dayon, squared na to over n, ito number of population, elements in the population, equals, so s squared is equals to x 40 minus 37. Katong nakuha na ito kanina sa previous makuhaan kanina. Sample mean plus 38 minus 37 plus 30 minus 37 ay kulangan ng squared plus 51 okay, so the summation of x minus bar x squared is 376. So summation doon niya kanan is 376 over 5 is equals to 376 divided by 5 is mo na itong formula last na ni sample standard deviation. So, S is equals to square root of summation of x minus u times 2 square, mean square over n. So, meaning to say, ang kani siya, ato rani siyang i-kuanog square root. So, para sa ganina sa patong population nga, sa parameter nga formula, is equals to 75.2. So, square root of 75.2 is equals to 8.67. Therefore, 8.67 is our sample standard deviation.